everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I hope you enjoy and I hope you find some other things to watch and you stick around for a while. Hit the subscribe button, all right? And if you're returning, well, welcome back. I am so happy you're here again. Let me tell you what we have today. We have some things here to show you from NewCraftDay. I always write it on something somewhere so I remember. NewCraftDay. Let me pick out a few items to show you. So let's get right into it. I will have them linked below so you can find them quickly and easily if it's something that you like. And let me show you what I picked out, what I liked. All right, here we go. Let's start with this pretty floral special drill. Look at those trees. Aren't they pretty? Just some pretty trees. With all of these special drills, I mean, look at the special drills here. Look at all those E's and B's and C's and B's and A's. Those are all going to be special drills. There are, oh my gosh, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different drills on this painting. And it kind of goes blue, pink and purple to yellow and orange. I love that. I love that. I do. I think that is so pretty. I mean, I picked it out, right? I know, of course I think it's pretty. Let's see what we get for the drills. What do we get? All right, let's check them out. Find the end. Here we go. We have brown. That's probably going to be the tree trunk. This bright, like lemony yellow. Clear crystals, an orange, a red, a pretty blue, a light purple, a green. That's it for the crystals. All right, here we go. Here's the special drills. Gold marquee. Love it. Some white teardroppy pearls. Love those. Some pink teardroppy faceted. How about some red pearls, blue teardrop pearls, and some red rounds. Love it. So clearly that's going to be petals, 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 all those teardrops, right? Love it. Teardrops make great petals. They really do. All right. So that is the special drill painting I picked out. Let's see what we have in our boxes. This box kind of, look, it blew out. This box blew out and it kind of like exploded on us. So here's the toolkit. Here's the drills. And okay, it's a stand. Here's our little stand to put it in. Make sure you take the film off. Both sides of this has a film. The back has a film. There's film on everything. Take it off, okay? Oh yeah, this is so cute. We're a little out of season now. Well, it's still October. As I'm unboxing this, it's like 4 days before Halloween. But this was so cute. This little shop, little candy shop. Look at all the candies in the window, and we got our jack-o'-lanterns out front. Somebody, I mean, that's a kid. We're going to say that's a little kid all dressed up. All the candy on top. I thought that was just a cute little Halloween, you know, a Halloween piece, but a cute Halloween piece. Because you know me, I'm all about the cute. Oh, okay, let's look at some drills. I keep getting you zoomed out. I don't know how, but you're too far away. Come closer, come closer. All right, what do we have? There's quite a few drills here. All right, let's start with the rhinestones. Well, let's start with black, not rhinestones, but black. We have a yellow, a lilac, an orange, a clear, gray, dark gray, a blue, a purple, a green, and a pink. All right, now we have these pretty purple rounds. We have some gold faceted rounds. We have some green rounds. We have iridescent faceted clear marquee. Yeah, you have to put all those words in there. And then we have non-iridescent but yellow faceted marquee. All right, cute, very cute. I love it. All right, so that's item number 2. Super cute. All right, last one. What else do we have? We have another box. You know I love things in boxes. I can't even tell you how many of these boxes I have in my house right now. But they always have good stuff in them. Always have good stuff. Oh, look. You like how I did that? I flipped it right upside down so you couldn't see it. I don't want you to see it yet. Not yet. Oh, look, we have stars. Oh, my stars. Again, it goes in a little stand, so you can tell that has a film on it. Look, peel that off there. And then the foam to protect it so it doesn't break and crack. I love that. This one is so cool. I love this one. Look at that. I love that one. Okay? The owl on the pumpkin. It's got a witch's hat. I mean, I love this one. It's very fall to me. And you know, I love owls. Owls, I just adore owls. We got big drills here for the feathers on the chest. I don't see anything else. Well, the stars. We already saw the stars. So there's stars up in here. I don't know. Let's look at our drills and see what else we have. Look at it. How pretty it is. I love it. I really do. All right, here we go. We have gray. That is very light gray. Orange. Brown. Purple. Another grayish color. A blue. A clear. A very light blue. Okay, here's our special drills. There are pink, iridescent, faceted rounds. There are clear, iridescent, faceted, marquee. It's a lot. It's a lot. And then we have those stars. All right. I don't know where the pink little rounds went. Oh, they're up here on the hat. Okay, there's stars on the hat, stars on the hat, underside of the hat, and then the pink rounds are up in there. Okay, got it. Got it. Got it. All right. Well, what do you like? What's your favorite? Like I said, we're kind of, I mean, I've had this sitting around for a little while trying to get, you know, to recording it. Sometimes it takes me a while to get to things. Zoom you out so we can see our selections of the day. Let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite? All that kind of stuff. You know, I like to know. And thanks for watching, you guys. I will have them linked below. Go check them out. And again, thank you, NewCraftDay, for letting me pick out a few things to show everybody. I really appreciate the companies that work with me, and I try to find things that I think that you will like and you will enjoy. And I try to kind of stay with the season or the season that's coming up, you know? So there you have it, folks. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, all of those things. Subscribe if you're new here and you want to come back and see more videos. Hit the notification bell. Tells you when videos come out. Super thanks are available. Memberships are available for paid options. And once again, thank you so much. I will see everybody soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye, everybody.